Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for a Stripe account, easy tutorial step by step clearly. To register for a Stripe account, start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the official Stripe website at stripe.com. On the home page, locate and click on the Start Now button. You will be redirected to a sign up page. Here, enter your email address in the provided field. Next, create a secure password for your account. Make sure your password meets the specified requirements. After filling in your email and password, click on the Create Account button. Check your email for a confirmation message from Stripe. Open the email and click on the verification link inside. Once verified, return to the Stripe sign-up page. This time, you will need to provide some basic information about your business. Start by entering your business name. Select the type of business you operate from the drop-down menu. Fill in your business address and phone number. Next, provide information about your industry or the type of services you offer. As you complete these fields, pay attention to any additional prompts. You may also need to enter your social security number or tax identification number for verification purposes. Stripe may ask for details about your bank account to enable payouts. Enter your bank account information accurately. After you've filled in all the required fields, review your inputs for mistakes. Now, click on the Submit button to proceed. Stripe will process your information and may require additional verification. If prompted, follow the on-screen instructions to complete this verification. Once your account is verified, you will be taken to your Stripe dashboard. Now, you can start using your Stripe account for transactions. Explore the different features available in your dashboard. You are now all set to accept payments online with Stripe. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.